Hello, everyone. Get ready for some hilarious animal moments.
Oh, God.
Navarro, palla tagliata, messa fuori, c'è Pirlo, ancora Pirlo di tetto, tiro!
Alright, your turn. No!
Show her, Kahlua. Show him. There you go. That's how you do it.
This is the greed that they talk about in the Bible.
Touch. Yes, touch.
You know, dogs track blue and yellow objects best.
Yes, touch.
And Indy have just hit 2 minutes. KC will have a 2nd and 8, deep in field goal range, trailing by 3.
Sir, you have a sleeping problem, and we have a tennis ball solution.
Ash, you're gonna fall in. Come here. Come. I'm warning you, buddy. I told you, bud.
No, get the one on the trunk. Oh, okay, or rebound off the trunk to get the one in the air. Sure. Come here. Normal day with Talon. Doing weird things.
These dogs have no clue what personal space is, do you?
Can we watch TV in peace? Can we watch TV in peace, please?
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
Get mad.
Look at me! Nigga, stand up!
Oh my God.
Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
Fossey, this is your boy.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at. Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Until I say go, okay?
No, you bitch!
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Are you gonna bite me? It is bedtime. Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hilarious animal moments. See you in the next one.